In this video, I want to show you how to layer stack satellite image in ArcGIS Pro. So to do that, let's go to our ArcGIS interface. Launch your ArcGIS and come to Map. Then click on Add Data to add your satellite image. Then navigate to your working folder and load in your satellite image. In this exercise, I want to use Landsat 8. So I'll click here. Here is my Landsat 8 and I want to load in the bands I have here from band 1 to band 7. I want to use band 1 to band 7. So highlight the band you want to layer stack or band composite and click on OK. So it will add the data to your ArcGIS Pro interface. Here is my Landsat image from band 1 to band 7. Now to layer stack it is to combine all these satellite image together to form a single multi-band image. So to do that in ArcGIS Pro, come to Imagery. Then click on Raster function. This will open the Raster function. Then scroll down to Data Management. Then look for Composite band. Click on it. Then here under Raster, click on the drop down and input all your bands. So band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, and band 7. So I have entered all the bands I want to layer stack. Then here, cell size type. Click on the drop down and choose your preferred option. So I want to go with max off. Don't click on it. Then here, if I click on create new layer, it will create just a temporary layer. So however, if you want to save it, just click on this drop down and click on save as, so that you'll be able to save it on your C drive. So I want a temporary layer, so I'll click on create new layer. Just few seconds, it will be created just like this. So I can close this page. Then I can remove all these bands. Remove. Yes, I have my composite band here. You can see it. You can see it. Now, we can manipulate the appearance. And to do that, highlight the composite band. Then come to appearance. And here you will see band combination. So click on the drop down. By default, it is on natural color. Then you can also put it at color infrared to see the results. Yes, you can see the results. With this, it will be easier for you to distinguish between farmland and urban area. If you look at here, this is more of farmland. And you can see urban area here, forested area, and also you can see urban area here. Here are urban area. And you can see water body as well. Then another thing you can do, you can still come to this band combination and click on costume. So you can select the band. Let's say we want band 4. The green will be band 3 and the blue band 2, and click on add. Yes, you can see the result. So depending on your needs, you can combine different bands just to enhance. You can see it here. You can see this one gives us first band composite gives us more or better view. You can see the urban area. So this is how to do band composite or layer stacking of satellite image in ArcGIS Pro. If you like this video, share it and subscribe. And if you have any question, kindly let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.